Hello. This is an OpenWRT router. It has two interfaces, WAN and LAN. And here are the two VLANs I will set up on the router. LAN. ETH0. LAN interface assigned to physical port named ETH0. 1. ETH1. WAN interface assigned to physical port named ETH1. Next I set up LAN 10. Devices. Add device configuration. VLAN 802.1Q. Select the physical port assigned to the interface named LAN. VLAN ID 10. The name is automatically generated. I leave the default name. I write it down for identification in the following steps. This is the device just created. Next I create a new device for VLAN 20. 802.1Q. The settings are similar to before, only the VLAN ID and name are different. 20. Write down the device name for VLAN 20. Save. Complete creation of two new devices for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Interfaces. Next, you create new interfaces for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. VLAN 10. Protocol. Static address. Select the device created in the previous step. Software VLAN. ETH0.10. This is the device created for VLAN 10. I have written down the device name corresponding to VLAN 10. Set up the IP address on VLAN 10. IPv4 address. I have prepared the subnets corresponding to VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Each VLAN uses a different subnet. Devices in the VLANs, addresses are assigned to different subnets. Firewall zone. LAN. By default, the DHCP server is disabled. Set up DNS address. DHCP options. Save. Save. This is the interface for VLAN 10 that I just created. Next, I create a new interface for VLAN 20. The setup steps are quite similar to VLAN 10. The only difference is the device and subnet. ETH0.20. Ensure it corresponds to the device noted in the previous step. Create interface. Subnet setup. Gateway. Netmask. Save. Edit. Next, set up the firewall. Firewall zone. LAN. Allows LAN 20 to access the internet. DHCP server. Change the starting IP address. Change the number of IP addresses to be assigned. Set up DNS address. Save. Save and apply. The above are the steps to set up LANs on the OpenWRT router. Next, I will check the results by setting up LANs on this Windows computer. Check LAN 10. Advanced. Priority in VLAN. VLAN ID 10. OK. Status. This is the IP address assigned from the OpenWRT router to VLAN 10. And the devices in VLAN 10 successfully connect to the internet. The above are the steps to set up LANs on the OpenWRT router. Thank you for watching. Next, I will check if VLAN 20 is working. Unlike the previous time, the computer assigned a different IP address from VLAN 20. Good luck.